Create and use shortcuts in the HP app on your phone or tablet. Shortcuts in the HP app help you create links to quickly print, email, or save your documents with one tap. This feature is also available on some HP printers with control panels. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from your App Store or from 123.hp.com. Open the HP app. Make sure your printer and your phone or tablet are connected to the same wireless network. To open shortcuts, select your printer and then scroll down and select Shortcuts. The Shortcuts feature is supported in many, but not all, countries or regions. If you don't see the Shortcuts option in the HP app, the feature might not be supported in your area. If you are using Shortcuts for the first time, the app creates an email shortcut for you automatically. All of the shortcuts you create display on the Shortcuts screen. To create a new shortcut, select Add New Shortcut. You can choose one of the popular shortcuts or select Create Your Own Shortcut. This video will demonstrate how to create your own. Select a destination for the shortcut. You can choose to print, email, or save. To create a shortcut to send a print job to your printer, select Print, and then select Continue. Specify the number of copies in the Copies drop-down menu. Select Color or Grayscale from the Color menu. Then, select Off, Short Edge or Long Edge from the two-sided menu. Select Continue. Enter a name for your shortcut. If you prefer, you can turn on Quick Run, which sends the file immediately after capture and skips adjustments, editing, and preview. Choose a shortcut color if you like, and then select Save Shortcut. Select Run this shortcut or Done. To create a shortcut to email a file, select Add New Shortcut on the Shortcuts screen. Select Create Your Own Shortcut. Select Email, and then select Continue. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. You can add as many recipient emails as you need, separating each email address with a comma. In the Subject field, enter the email subject, and in the Body field, enter the email text. When you're done, tap Continue. Enter a name for your shortcut. Turn on Quick Run if you want, and then select a file type. Choose a shortcut color if you like, and then tap Save Shortcut. Select Run this shortcut or Done. To create a shortcut to save a file to a cloud storage account like Google Drive or Dropbox, select Add New Shortcut on the Shortcuts screen. Select Create Your Own Shortcut. Select Save, and then select Continue. Select Sign in next to the cloud service you want to save to. Then, sign into your cloud account to authenticate. If you want to sign in to another cloud service, select Sign in next to the cloud service, and then sign in to authenticate. Services you've signed in to display in the Accounts list. Select the accounts you want to add to the shortcut, and then select Continue. Enter a name for your shortcut. Turn on Quick Run if you want, and then select a file type. Choose a shortcut color if you like, and then tap Save Shortcut. Select Run this shortcut or Done. You can also create shortcuts that combine printing, emailing, and saving. To do this, select Add New Shortcut, and then tap Create Your Own Shortcut. Select the combination of print, email, and save options you want, and then select Continue. Follow the prompts to create your shortcut. To use your shortcuts on your device, from the HP app home screen, tap your printer name, tap Shortcuts, and then tap the name of the shortcut you want to run. Follow the HP app prompts to use the shortcut. If you need to verify that a shortcut ran successfully, tap the notifications icon at the top of the HP app home screen, and then tap Shortcuts. For select HP printers, you can run shortcuts directly from the printer control panel. To do this, tap the Shortcuts icon on the printer control panel, and then select your HP account. Choose the shortcut that you would like to use, then tap Start.